Hey guys, I hope you're all having a lovely day. You already seen the title, you know exactly what I'm gonna be talking about, so let's just straight away jump into it. By the way, I'm not wearing any makeup as you can see because I always start my makeup from my brows, and we're gonna be checking out some exciting product for brows. I know it's been released like a couple months ago, but I just got my hands on it, so I'm super excited. I haven't tried this yet, so I have no idea what to expect. Super honest, first impressions review as always. Let's go. So I got my hands on the NYX The Brow Glue. It's not sticky, instant brow styler. One product, limitless brow look. Style brow hairs and set into place, non-sticky, transparent formula with a precise pulley for easy application. Sounds like a no-brainer. I think we should try this. I've been obsessed, by the way, with like so brows, and I did quite a few videos. I'm gonna link it in here if you guys want to check it out. Let's open this up and see what we got. Just transparent gel, that's all it is. Let's try on, right? So I don't have any brow product on my brows just now. We might need to fill in with some color probably. Oh, this is very easy to use. I feel like it's drying very fast because my hair stuck into the place straight away. Oh, my brow hair are extra long. I might need to trim that. This is actually easier to use than brow soap. So I've been obsessed with one by Makeup Revolution, but that takes time to set. This one is like, it's there straight away. I don't know if that dries so fast. Wow, okay, that's interesting. What do you guys think? That was so easy. Let's do this brow. Alright guys, it's pretty easy to use, straightforward. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna apply the makeup on, I mean foundation and so on, so we can see how this looks together, and then we can finish off the brow look with like a brow pencil or something like that. So I'll be back in a second. As you can see, I did my makeup. I haven't touched the eyebrows as I did everything around, but it's like proper set. I think I'm gonna add slightly bit more brow product just in here and like on the gaps. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro, I think it's called Micro Precision Brow Pen or something like this. And our brows are complete. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. This brow glue, super easy to use. As you guys seen, my brows are in place, and some of my brow hairs definitely has separate life, and they don't ever listen, especially like these ones, because it's slightly bit like too long. I need to trim my brows. I'm not sure if the camera transits it through and if you guys can see that, but if I look very closely, I can see tiny bit of white residue, but it's not mega visible. So that's my only minus. And my brows, you guys, are bushy, if I can say so, and it's usually really hard to keep it in place, but I really like it. Yeah, highly recommend if you haven't tried this yet, because I was very slow to get my hands on this, and it's I'm sure being on the market like for a few good months already, and you might have tried this. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you try this or it's brand new to you. If I would need to choose between brow soap or this, I would go for this, purely because it's easier to use, more convenient, because you know with brow soap you need to have the spoolie wet or to spray, you know, I usually use the setting spray straight away on the brow soap and then just use a spoolie because I find it easier. But this is more convenient. You don't need any water, you don't need to spray anything, it's all in there, it's already on a brush, it's already tacky enough, because like with brow soap thing, you need to wait for it to be kind of tacky, not too liquidy, not too hard, just perfect. So this is more convenient in my opinion. Definitely recommend if you haven't tried this yet. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more very important part, totally free as well, doesn't cost you a penny. Hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time I post a new video, and I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day guys. Ciao for now.